Imagine your world instantly smarter, interactive, personalized. Augmented reality isn't just for games. It's set to revolutionize how we live, work, and learn. Future AR glasses will transform workspaces. See real-time data overlays. Collaborate virtually. Visualize 3D blueprints on site. Tasks become intuitive. Beyond work, AR personalizes daily life. Get navigation on the street. Try clothes virtually. Identify landmarks. It integrates seamlessly. But the surprising truth is how it reshapes our connections. While VR immerses, AR enhances reality. It won't replace human interaction. Instead, it fosters deeper connections. Share digital experiences within your physical space. Ultimately, AR makes our world intelligent, intuitive, and interactive. It's an invisible layer. What excites you most? Comment and subscribe.